In the assets industry, there's a controversial truth that many prefer to ignore. Our digital twins, those sophisticated models meant to mirror physical assets, often diverge from reality without anyone noticing. This isn't just a technical glitch, it's a multi-million-dollar problem hiding in plain sight. Today, I'm going to reveal how AnalyzeDeviations tackles this issue head-on, providing a standardized method to measure, categorize, and act on performance discrepancies. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to bridge the gap between prediction and performance, turning hidden inefficiencies into optimization opportunities. Let's start with context. Why does this problem persist? In asset-intensive industries like manufacturing, energy, and transportation, digital twins are built to simulate behavior under ideal conditions. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. But physical assets operate in messy, real-world environments. They experience wear and tear, environmental fluctuations, and human interventions that models can't fully capture. Over time, these factors cause deviations that, if unmeasured, lead to cascading failures and operational losses. Generic tools like spreadsheets or basic analytic software fall short because they lack the domain-specific metrics and standardized frameworks needed for accurate deviation analysis. Asset managers often resort to manual checks, which are time-consuming, prone to errors, and inconsistent across teams. The real challenge isn't just detecting deviations, it's quantifying them in a way that prioritizes actions and aligns with business goals. Now, let's dive into the technical method behind AnalyzeDeviations. Our approach is rooted in control theory and advanced statistical process control. We begin by establishing a dynamic baseline from your digital twin data, which represents the expected performance under current conditions. This isn't a static threshold. It adapts to operational changes and seasonal variations. Then, we ingest real-time data from IoT sensors and SCADA systems, comparing actual performance to the baseline. Key concepts here include deviation severity scores, which we calculate using a multi-factor algorithm that considers magnitude, duration, and impact on asset health. We also analyze temporal patterns to differentiate between transient anomalies and persistent issues. A common misconception is that deviation analysis is just about setting alarms when values exceed limits. But that's reactive. AnalyzeDeviations is proactive. It identifies root causes by correlating deviations across multiple assets and systems, providing insights that prevent failures before they occur. So, what does the software actually do? AnalyzeDeviations seamlessly integrates with your existing asset management platforms. It automates data ingestion, cleanses and normalizes the data, and applies our proprietary algorithms to compute deviations. The system categorizes discrepancies into levels from informational to critical based on configurable business rules. Each analysis comes with a detailed audit trail, logging every step from data source to final recommendation. This is crucial for compliance with regulations like ISO 55000 or industry-specific standards. Additionally, the software includes scenario modeling capabilities. You can simulate the effects of potential changes, such as adjusting maintenance schedules or upgrading components, to see how deviations might shift. This helps in planning interventions that maximize asset lifespan and performance. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example to make this concrete. Consider a large-scale HVAC system in a commercial building. The digital twin predicts energy consumption based on occupancy, weather, and equipment settings. However, sensor data shows that actual consumption is consistently 8% higher than predicted. Using AnalyzeDeviations, we input variables like compressor efficiency, refrigerant levels, and airflow rates. The software analyzes deviations in these parameters over time, identifying that degraded filters and misaligned dampers are the primary culprits. By addressing these issues, the building manager can reduce energy consumption by 6%, saving thousands annually. Without this analysis, the deviations might be attributed to external factors, leaving optimization opportunities untapped. When it comes to compliance and reporting, AnalyzeDeviations excels. Reports are generated automatically in formats tailored for different audiences. For executives, dashboards highlight key performance indicators and financial impacts. For engineers, detailed technical reports show deviation trends and recommended actions. For auditors, comprehensive documentation traces every calculation back to source data, ensuring transparency and accountability. The software aligns with frameworks like the asset management landscape, making it easier to demonstrate compliance during inspections or certifications. In closing, AnalyzeDeviations transforms how you manage assets by providing a clear, actionable path from data to decisions. It standardizes deviation analysis, enhances reliability, and drives operational excellence across your portfolio. If you're ready to stop guessing and start measuring,